Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best media shelf is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture for any modern home, especially for those who love to organize their entertainment systems, display their favorite books, or simply keep their living spaces tidy and aesthetically pleasing. In today's digital age, where technology and media consumption are at an all-time high, a well-chosen media shelf can transform a cluttered room into a streamlined sanctuary, offering both practical storage solutions and a stylish focal point that complements your personal decor. Number 5. BONTEC Mobile TV Stand with Wheels. This versatile stand fits most 23 to 60-inch TVs, supporting various visa patterns and weights. It's designed to work with many popular brands, offering you great flexibility. Enjoy a perfect view every time with its tilt function, allowing you to adjust the screen up to 10 degrees. This ensures a comfortable, glare-free experience for watching or presenting. Move it with ease thanks to the 4 locking wheels that offer smooth mobility. When in place, it remains secure, giving you confidence whether at home or in the office. Its thoughtful design allows it to sit close to the wall, saving valuable floor space. The adjustable shelf is ideal for conveniently placing your accessories like a laptop or gaming console. Keep your space looking neat and professional with the integrated cable management system. It effectively hides wires and cables, maintaining a clean appearance. What we like? If you need a TV stand that offers flexibility and a comfortable viewing experience, this is a great option. Its tilt function allows for glare-free viewing, and the locking wheels ensure it stays put when you need it to. Consider this if you frequently move your TV or want to optimize your viewing angle in different rooms. What people say? It's got Castor and can be rolled anywhere. It has a laptop rack to hold a modem, TV box, or DVR. This stand is very well built and engineered. Everything fits the way it should. All the hardware you could need for the sizes of TV specified are there. The instructions are super simple and have nice illustrations that make for ease of installation for anyone. It's clean, has a shelf, Velcro straps to hide wires. This is a great compact stand for people who are short on space and want to have their TV tucked away when they are not using it. Fortunately, it is very stable. I have it set up on carpet and I am not worried about it falling down. Number 4. Sauder Multimedia Storage Tower. Introducing the Sauder Multimedia Storage Tower, a stylish and functional addition to your home. Its rich cinnamon cherry finish complements any decor. With 6 adjustable shelves, this tower offers versatile storage solutions. It's perfect for organizing your media collection. This unit can hold up to 280 DVDs or 426 CDs, ensuring all your favorites are neatly stored and easily accessible. Crafted from engineered wood, it provides sturdy and reliable storage. The durable polyester blend ensures longevity. The beautiful cinnamon cherry finish adds a touch of elegance to your living space. It's a piece that's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Its thoughtful design and generous capacity make it an ideal choice for any media enthusiast. Enjoy organized living with this exceptional storage solution. What we like? For those with an extensive collection of media, this storage tower is an excellent choice. It boasts a high capacity for DVDs or CDs and features adjustable shelves to customize your organization. If you're looking for a stylish and functional way to store your media library, this is the one. What people say? The design uses enough pins that the frame was almost perfectly square already, so there wasn't a lot of you push here and you pull there while I nail the back on to hold it square like with a lot of this type of furniture. The cam and pin assembly system on this shelving unit is the easiest I've ever used. It looks great, is very functional, and gives me easy access to all my physical media. Number 3. BONTEC Rolling TV Stand for 23 to 60-inch TVs. This stand is designed to fit a wide range of TVs, from 23 to 60 inches. It supports various visa patterns and weights, ensuring broad compatibility for your home, office, or school. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, this mobile TV stand offers a stable and durable base. Safety screws are included to enhance its strength, even in busy environments. Customize your viewing experience with adjustable height settings for both the mount and the media shelf. Integrated cable management keeps your setup tidy and organized. An adjustable shelf is included to hold your accessories like laptops or gaming consoles. The surface is easy to clean, maintaining a neat appearance. Effortlessly move this rolling TV stand between rooms thanks to its smooth wheels and locking brakes. It provides secure positioning wherever you need it. This versatile stand is perfect for various settings, including homes, offices, schools, hotels, and retail stores. Enjoy more flexibility than fixed mounts. What we like. This rolling TV stand is perfect for dynamic environments where adaptability is key. Its height adjustability and sturdy steel construction ensure a secure and customized setup. If you need a reliable mobile solution for presentations, entertainment, or commercial use, its locking brakes provide stability when needed. What people say. The screen is big, bright, and very easy to read from across the room. The full touch screen is responsive and smooth, making it simple for both adults and kids to interact with. The daily planner and to-do list functions are very intuitive. We use it to track school schedules, work meetings, chores, and reminders all in one place. The white frame looks modern and blends nicely with our home decor. Wall mounting was straightforward, and once installed it feels sturdy and well-built. Number 2. Prepac 3-column tall media storage cabinet in black. Introducing the Prepac 3-column tall media storage cabinet. It's designed to elegantly store your entire media collection. This cabinet features a sophisticated black laminate finish that complements any room decor. Its design is both functional and stylish. Never worry about space again. It can hold up to 960 CDs, 405 DVDs, or 240 videos, offering incredible storage potential. With 21 adjustable shelves, you can customize the interior to perfectly fit your collection. Organize your items with ease. Built with a wide base and profiled MDF top and base, it ensures extra stability and durability. It's ready for easy assembly. What we like. If you have a vast collection of CDs, DVDs, or Blu-rays, this tall media storage cabinet is designed for you. With 21 adjustable shelves, it offers immense storage potential and a wide base for stability. Choose this if you prioritize maximizing your media storage in a sleek, black finish. What people say. The shelf is sturdy and holds a lot of media. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my decor. Number 1. Pyle 19-inch 1U server rack shelf. This 1U rack shelf is the perfect solution for organizing and securely holding your valuable equipment. It's designed to meet your needs, whether you require a small shelf for compact setups or a larger one for heavier devices. Built for both professional and home use, this rack mount shelf fits seamlessly into various setups. It's ideal for studios, offices, or server rooms, offering flexible placement. With an impressive weight capacity of 110 pounds, this shelf rack can securely hold a wide variety of devices. You can trust it to provide stability and peace of mind for your equipment. The vented design ensures proper airflow, keeping your devices cool and extending their lifespan. This is especially important for temperature-sensitive electronics. Compatible with all standard 19-inch racks, this shelf offers flexibility for different applications. It's perfect for various server rack setups and custom installations. What we like. This rack shelf is ideal for anyone looking to organize and cool their electronic equipment. Its vented design promotes airflow, keeping devices from overheating, and it boasts a robust weight capacity. If you're setting up a server room, studio, or need a reliable mount for temperature-sensitive electronics, this is a solid choice. What people say. The shelf is sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.